So now I want to show you the AI assistant and how you can chat with the AI assistant to be able to derive insights and information from the assets data that we have available to us. So I'm going to go chat with the AI assistant. And you can see here, we've got some canned prompts. So I could either select one of these canned prompts. So like summarize my assets past last day of support. And it's going to summarize that information. I can download an Excel spreadsheet that has just the devices past last day of support. Again, I can click the analyze response. It's going to use the AI-powered reporting engine to generate a visualization of this data from the question that I asked, and then the results that came back from that. And I can ask it a more custom question. So maybe I can say, show me a list of devices past last day of support that are Nexus 9000 switches. So that's going to be a subset of what just got returned from the canned prompt, but we're now asking it a more custom question just to demonstrate that it's now going to interact with that data set. And then it should return to me just the 199 Nexus 9K switches. So you can see here's a list of my 199 records showing me the first 30. And then I can download the spreadsheet, or I could analyze this response for more information, again, generate that report. So as you can see, the AI assistant is very powerful because you can use natural language, ask it business questions around your estate. And with the power of IQ unifying all of your asset information from all of your Cisco controllers and all of your different product types all into one spot, you now have not only a unified way to be able to see and understand the risk of old devices in your estate, but then you can also interact with it, chat with it, uncover new insights and information based off of whatever business problem you're trying to solve. So maybe you're starting some financial planning and you need to understand your budget for hardware replacement at a specific site. You could ask the AI assistant questions around how many devices are going end of life within the next year at a specific site. It'll extract that information. You could go generate that to a report, then go send that Excel spreadsheet or that PDF visual report with the charts to like an asset manager or procurement manager, and then arm them with the data to be able to take the next steps and action that. And with that, that rounds out the current capabilities as of the April release for Cisco IQ regarding the assets application. Next up, we'll talk about the assessments application and talk about a shared assessment framework that you can then run against those assets to be able to uncover opportunities both at the configuration or at the software level.